Dressed in layers kind of day is what you want. If you're heading out, 60 degrees right now with a light wind to calm conditions this morning. Now that morning fog also lingers into tomorrow, not just today, but we are looking at sunny, warm conditions for the remainder of today. Tomorrow, we're going to see a cooling trend begin. So if you have another plan outdoors tomorrow, temperatures there dropping as much as 10 degrees from just today. So keep that in mind. As we move on into Monday, we're looking at that slight chance out there to see some showers. All right, let's talk about our visibility as we're looking at some of that fog this morning. Only 8 to 9 miles in visibility. That's pretty good, actually. So it's not terrible. We're not looking at this thick, dense fog out there, but we do have some pockets, especially in between areas here, just between Palm Springs and areas like Temecula or Carlsbad. You're seeing some areas of fog. Otherwise, we're looking at 9 miles in Santa Ana there, 10 miles in Carlsbad. The only one looking real bad out there is Catalina. If you have plans to head out there, it's really surrounded, obviously, by water, helping that fog formation early this morning. All right, let's take a look here as we look at our 7-day forecast. LA and Orange County, you, again, are dropping as much as 10 degrees from your Saturday to Sunday. Cooler day for you on Sunday. We'll see that transition with winds picking up into our Monday, and then the shot of showers arrives after 11 p.m. on Sunday. So mostly just a Monday event, and it's a very slight chance. You may get a little drizzle, you may not, and that may even carry on into your Tuesday. And otherwise, mid-70s to 80s as we move toward Friday. As we take a look from LA versus the Valley here, 30% shot at showers. And again, we are looking at gusty winds pushing through for those next few days from Sunday through at least Wednesday. 25 to almost 35 mile per hour winds. All right, our 7-day for our deserts. You're going from mid-80s to mid-70s and then mid-60s. You are looking at some gusty winds also, but the chance of showers is really diminished here. Really only looking at maybe a 10% chance, if that's really not looking at wet weather. For the deserts, Palm Springs pushing the upper 90s to triple digits by Thursday, Friday. So tracking that low pressure system as it makes its way down, that's around midnight as we start moving into your Monday morning, and then continuing just a little bit more around 2 a.m. on Tuesday. We expand here with that ridge and brings us some warm temperatures as we move toward Thursday and Friday. Upper 80s for Riverside. You're looking at about 85 degrees in Ontario, 78 in LA with about 76 in Thousand Oaks, 84 degrees in Northridge today. All right, Tim, Irene, back to you.
All right, Carly, thank you. Well,